the young man a Google car. You know, this car has to be celebrated. Yeah? That is the way it is done. When we buy our own, you know, we buy for them too.
Look at you. Please tell us, how is city life? You know we are talking.
Come here. I warned you. I warned you that the boy is in the higher court.
Nine, Uncle. Where is it? Uncle. Uncle. Oh, what is it?
It's true.
Hey! Hey! I'm okay! This is huge! Hey! Senior one, look at you! So fresh, young, plumpy and fluffy.
Actually,
The back is strong.
the back is strong.
Go and greet them. We are here.
I go.
Azubike.
Ago.
Ago madu. Ago.
Because you just bought a new car.
Ago.
Yes, Uncle. I actually came to celebrate with my two friends over there.
Yes.
Since I
Our
actually
friend.
met my elders here, let's all celebrate together.
Yes, oh, it's your cool.
Hello, who's here? Please bring more drinks for them and put the bills on me. Okay?
Hey! Azubike.
Bring it.
Let me join my friends.
Please,
Just take whatever you want. Feel free.
Thank you very much.
Five more drinks.
Bring it, yo. Bring it.
If you have like
Now,
this,
we are
so happy to have you back. Bring. Drop it here. You can bring more. Give him that one. Bring more. That's good. Life is good. Look at you.
Come here. Come on.
There is something there.
No. From this.
So this boy has made money. No wonder. See the mother, even in the market, everybody should Leko.
Who doesn't know your mother in this village? I mean, who doesn't know how devoted she is? See, even the CWO Women Forum in this village, they all cherish your mother.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Emeka, do you know that anytime I see her on the road, she must pray for me?
You see what I'm
But
saying?
it seems like the prayer she's making for her son is more effective than the one she's praying for
Do
me.
you know why? It's because they share the same blood. Do you understand? The thing is connected. But see,
See, the way this boy has made it big, I believe he has joined a very strong occultic group. That's what you are. Coward. The coward.
Turn about. Shut up.
I'm just saying, be careful.
Be careful, my friends. Don't tell me you're afraid of this small boy. What the normal after an apple in Be sick. Where do you start talking? You have it there.
I have it.
Give it to me.
You should be very careful about your carefreeness. You understand? Because the way the youths of this village are dying, you don't like it. They all die premature. All the successful youth in this village. So you have to be very, very careful. Do you understand me?
I understand what you're saying, but the truth is, who doesn't know how my mom and I have suffered? We know. We went through hell. I'm even sure my enemies will be praying for me to make it. Yes, we've suffered.
Right here now.
You give me quiet for me.
Don't give it to me. How much are you giving? Oh, yeah, give me money. Give me money. Buy more drinks. Buy more drinks. The young man a Google car. You know, this car has to be celebrated. That is the way it is done. When we buy our own, we buy for them too.
Look at him. Please tell us, how is city life? You know we are
Come here. I warned you. I warned you that the boys in the higher court.
Nine, uncle. Where is it? Uncle. Uncle. Oh, what is it? What is it? What did you put in this drink? What is happening to you?
I didn't put anything. Please.
Don't harm us. Please. Forgive us. Forgive us.
Uncle, but you know I cannot hurt you now. You've not done anything wrong to me. You didn't do anything. No, now.
I tried to poison your drink.
Hey! I talk am.
Because of your mother's attitude. She has been growing so old recently. Raising her shoulders. Because you have made money.
Oh my God. Hey! You Luciano. But Uncle, what have I done wrong? What has my poor mom done? Everyone knows how we've suffered. Now that God has blessed me, you have decided to take my life.
Is this not what I was telling you a few moments ago? This is exactly what I was telling
These
you.
men are evil. They are evil.
We killed so many promising young men in this community.
Hey! Aro.
Luciano, boy, I was telling you a few moments ago.
Luciano.
We have been doing it successfully and vow to put an end to this. Please, forgive us.
I suspect they are the one even holding your destiny, Neka. These two men are the one holding your destiny with all the talents that you have.
Thank God they have died.
Why? Hey! What have I done?
Let's go. Leave them.
What
Just
have I
leave
done?
them. Let's go.
There is no peace for the wicked.
Hey!
So the judgment of the wicked is dead.
Now leave here.
Enter.